Hi friends, my name is Dr. Umesh Deshmukh. I am a consultant in anesthesia and pain management. Today I will be speaking on chronic pain because it is a topic close to my heart as I also suffer from chronic pain. Chronic pain is a condition shared by many of us, including myself. It can be caused by joint disease, arthritis, migraines, fibromyalgia, bad backs, cervical spondylitis, excessive weight gain. But the important thing to note is that chronic pain, whatever the cause, hangs on for weeks or months or even years and decades together. It wrecks your life and lifestyle. It changes you from inside. So, as it is said, that God helps only those who help themselves. So, there are certain things that we must do to alleviate the pain apart from whatever treatment a doctor can give to us. First of all, is walking. Walking is one of the best things we can do to alleviate pain. You must start slowly with small increments in your walking time every day. Acupuncture is one of the modalities of pain therapy that has been neglected over a period of time, but acupuncture is very effective in chronic pain. And if possible, you must consult a good acupuncturist to treat your chronic pain. Because acupuncture increases the natural pain killing hormones known as endorphins in your body, it increases the level of endorphins and relieves pain. Other important thing is to get your mind off from whatever work etc. you do. You must take periodic breaks from your work. You could do something to distract yourself, like reading a book, probably singing a song, having a conversation with a friend, something like that you can do. It takes your mind off from your pain, and distraction is one of the most important things to treat chronic pain. Other important aspect is change in diet and managing your weight. You must reduce your excess weight by performing certain diet changes in which the dietitian can advise you what to do. As far treatment is concerned, consult a pain expert. There are pain specialists available in metros and big cities and big hospitals. Nowadays, they are even available on a part-time basis. You can also consult them through Librate. Some of these pain specialists, like me, are also experts in interventions of various kind, especially dealing in pain with back or spine problems and joint problems. These interventions may constitute simple injections for diagnostic or therapeutic purposes, then pain controlling device implantations in your spinal cord, and also doing surgeries like spine surgeries, joint replacements, etc. etc. These certain things can be treated very well by pain specialists, and some of them can be treated only by surgeons, but the pain specialist can advise you when to go in for a surgery. So friends, if there is any way that I can help you as a pain specialist, I am available on Librate. You can text me, you can send an email to me, or you can call me in person, get an appointment so that I can devise a plan to help you alleviate your pain.